Wait, now wait for this. You have to accept it. No?
Okay.
Okay. All right. Good evening, and welcome to all the viewers. This specially message and to clarify certain things which are very important developing in a few days time. Okay, about a fake campaign. Especially, we will go with a fake campaigning by a group called Revolutionary Goans. Last week, when I had replied against Manoj Parab of an organization called Revolutionary Goans, which is registered somewhere in North Goa, we have used an abusive language against Honorable Puttur MLA Mr. Alexio Roginaldo. Okay, I have exposed the organization, especially Mr. Manoj Parab, who is the main speaker, as well as their funding activities from various sources from around the world. Okay. As a result of this, a lot of seafarers, NRIs, OCIs, Portuguese passport have called me and they were like shocked. Why is my outburst on that particular organization, or why I spoke against the particular person? So I have told them I have spoken against the language the person is using against an honorable MLA who also happens to be my close friend and who have worked together with us. So, in the meantime, I have been observing what is going on this social media. Okay. Also, many seafarers felt तारोडी पहाय तांकां दिसलें जे की हांव तेजेर उलयलां तें सारकें न्हू, because many of them they say they are following, okay, and many felt that the people in Goa especially, or the seafarers or NRIs, that I am using the seafarers as the issue to gain a political mileage or to contest election in the future. Okay. So with this situation, with the interest of the seafarers and also with the interest of the organization of GSAI, okay, I just want to be very clear that whatever I do is not for the political benefit. So again, why I'll make this very clear, I want to mention one thing, that whatever we have held the seafarers is not because of political mileage or political advantage. So today I want to promise that Mr. Dixon, who is fighting for the seafarers and who has been fighting for the last 10 years, I will not contest any assembly election in the coming Goa assembly elections. So I hope this will be very clear, that I will not again contest the election in the coming assembly in Goa. So I think this should be very clear that I am not using the seafarers for my political. And also, if that is not enough, I will tell my seafarers that I have prepared my resignation even from the Congress party. Okay, even from the Congress party, which I have joined in January, my first time in my life, so that people should not have doubts that I am using politics. Seafarers issue, I've been fighting from the beginning. I've always been fighting, and I will. But to make it very clear for the organization also, and also for the seafarers. Again, also, I don't want to be associated with the GSAI, which is organization, for at least until the next elections are over. So I want to be completely alone, so that there should not be any confusion, because this revolutionary group is creating a big divide. I will tell you why. I want to also lead by example, so that this group is exposed, because this group is systematically planted by someone to divide the Catholic, the seafarers, OCIs, NRIs, and Portuguese passport holders community in the name of POGO. There is only one agenda in this group mind, which they have studied very well, to strike a division in the minority community. As the NRIs and many Goans, and even in Goa, are very frustrated with the current political situation, and especially with the leaders at this particular moment. And this group, particular RG group, is planting this for the mission for the coming election to divide. This is a fear created on social media by this group, who we have almost, I can tell you, that more than 1,000 fake IDs in the name of revolutionary Goans, and in the name of lots of Catholic names and lot of profession. And whenever anyone makes or raise any question, these fake IDs attack with filthy languages, insulting words, even for a woman Facebook operator. We have the list. I have a lot of list of the fake IDs. Okay, will be taken to the cyber crime. We also have concern. We also have found out the concern link that about their huge. When I say huge, means a very big campaign on social media. Okay, which they are using against all the citizens. I have warned many people and also the authorities of this, like a radical type talks. This is a very important thing, because we cannot take hate speeches. We cannot take hatred. Okay, this group is been created to make a panic and fear among the migrants community. The agenda is all the migrants community and all the whoever is the outside voters might come together, and our secular votes will be splitted. That's why I want to be very clear. Many of our friends or whoever they are associated, I just want to tell them that I am no associated, nor I am any affiliated to any party or any organization from now on. Okay? Any individual, to protect the majority votes, we need to have a bigger group. We cannot just target only one group and one community, because this community will never vote for this revolutionary group. An example, in Zuari Nagar is a huge chunk of migrants vote. Now, if these people are scared about this group, the Zuari Nagar community, whatever, they will never vote for this group. So, majority of of these migrant voters, whoever so-called, they will vote for the same party or the same individual, and the rest of the remaining votes will be divided by all other 4 or 5 parties or individual. So this is my thinking. Okay, and this will happen in most of the constituencies, and this will help to win the same parties and the same candidates in that area. Not a single person or not a single person can entire change the full of Goa. Okay, this is impossible. If we are thinking that one person is doing a big campaign, you can see it is very important that what I'm talking, to listen. If you see their comments, whenever they put, they're using such a bad language. These are all fake comments. They're using yesterday. They have used on David yesterday. They used on some of the guy called Valencio. He was making a video. They were using such a bad languages, which is unacceptable. They have not shown any such concern during the COVID-19. They have never shown any concern against the CAA, NRC movement, which is all India movement to protect our identity first. First we were fighting for the NRC, CAA. That time these people were not there. These people were not in the movement at all when thousands of people were fighting first to protect identity as an Indian, and then here they are protecting Goan. So I think this is the one of the reasons. The latest tirade we can see is that the last MLA who is always vocal on local issues, which is Mr. Alexio Reginaldo, who is also one MLA. Who can they see as a threat to stop their mission in divide and rule? Okay. Some of their close aides in this group, they know where is their funding, what they are getting from. It's a big campaign with 1,000 fake accounts of revolutionary Goans, which they are making thumbs up, they are putting some signs, they are creating that kind of scenario that they have a big following. Because if you can see the people, is the same people who are really putting the thumbs, putting the caption, and that's why we can tell you, and they are using the Christian Catholic names as the fake IDs. Last and not the least, I will continue to work for, because my mentor, who is also my guide, is Mr. Alexio Reginaldo, Honorable MLA of Kurtori, who I look upon as a political guru. Okay, it is time for us to unite. It is time for all the NGOs, like-minded people, religious, environmentalists, businessmen, social workers, various committees to come together to save our Goa. Let us put Goa first. Do not go after these groups which are creating. We need to have a common agenda. Okay? If we use this create and if we use this hate speech, it is not good. So again, one more time, I want to tell you that this is a fear psycho, like a radical movement. Radical movement, this is not good. That speeches are not good. So think about it, what I am trying to tell you. I can see what is coming. Okay? They have more than 150 groups. RG, Revolutionary Goans, have more than 150 groups in all villages all over the world. I have the names. These people they are having fake accounts there. They are using them and they're just trying to make a big followers. So I want to tell that this is what is happening I am not associated, because a lot of people must be following, but I want to tell you what I said is a fact. We cannot only target the migrants and make the migrant community strong. The migrant community will get strong. They will never vote for RG or any who are trying to fear them. They will give to the same person who they are voting now, the same party. And the rest, what is left over, will be divided, and this is the agenda. This is the agenda. I have so many things. Yesterday, because I tell you, example why I am telling you this morning, why they are fake. This morning when I was coming at Margam at 10:30, Maruti Mandir, Komba, I saw one car, Revolutionary Goan. So I was passing by, I went further, I saw the one guy is trying to display something to sell. So I saw and I was trying to stop, but since there was a line, so I crossed the railway gate, I went further on, and I came within 7 to 10 minutes because I was stuck in the traffic. I came back to see what they are doing. The moment I came back, within 10 minutes, the same guy is, he's put a display, put the things board, and is clicking picture. He's clicking picture. So I parked my car further on to go to buy them. He took the picture. He closed that car. He put everything back inside. He sat in the car for 20 minutes. 20 minutes I've been following him. He sat in the car. And then I saw he put at 11:30 something Andrade Arfan. Hey guys, I am selling some stuff for RG. 11:30 he posted, and 11:30 he went with the vehicle. He went via Fatorda. I followed him all the way down to until I lost him in Fatorda. This is a fake campaign. I challenge that if they are true, they have to prove it. Because this morning, yesterday, one more incident, why I say it is a fake campaign. I have lots of names. One guy in UK called Polly the Kurtori. He made a nice speech after I made a comment against Manoj Parab. And he made a speech saying that Reginaldo and Manoj Parab, they should not fight. Both are doing good job. MLA is doing there, he is doing there. Now, when he said this, one of the guy somewhere on the internet, so many guys are trashing him. This Polly the Kurtori, why you speak against Manoj Parab? Why you speak against Revolutionary Goans? Actually, he did not speak. Somebody edited, and this guy and actually he was supporting him. Even this Polly the Kurtori, even तेजेर कांतार देखून काढले तेणे song during COVID time that is helping. But since this was created like this. His fake followers are using him and bashing him and thrashing him, not in hundreds. It is a big, big, big campaign to, just to create a hype. So today's, I want to tell that Goans, be aware about this. This is the most dangerous thing. This is the most dangerous thing to divide the secular votes. If I say something, because I don't want to be an associate with anybody, today I am not belonging to any party. I give resignation. Plus, I told I am not contesting any election in the future. Very clear. And the third thing, I want to make sure that our GSEI runs, and I will not associate for at least finishing the election. So that they should all know that what I say is not for any political, but for a good reason.
Resignation
I will give it. I will find. I have already signed. I will submit it because.
Why do you need to resign?
Because yesterday, what I tell you, what this fake campaign did of theirs. I joined in 8 months ago in January. They put my video. They circulated so much that I am doing for election. They just did it, and that is the reason I want to tell them. Dixon is not about election. It is a lot of people ask me, and they think like I will contest. See, I can sacrifice for Goa.
So what is that?
No, they fake. I am telling you, they have 150 groups which they attack you and they put you down. So I want to investigate in that, how they are operating. This is most dangerous, and the speech they are using. Speech what Mr. Manoj Parab is speaking, it cannot be tolerated. It's a radicalized. It is a threat, and he has been planted to do this. He has been planted to do this, and to the minority who will be splitting up everything and will be a difference. That's why I said I feel what I said what I feel, because something is coming, I know. So I want to be very clear about this, and I don't want to be any kind of as a seafarer or the organization or a party.
Why seafarers is the issue if you comment and...
Because they think that I'm using the seafarers to contest the election. So either I said I will not associate with the seafarers, and also I will resign from the party. And I said I'm not even contesting the election, which was not even my issue, my main thing. My main thing was to join, because I never joined a party. But these people created such a hype, which I'm not worried about. I'm not worried about a bed, but worried about people asking. They have followers. They don't have followers. They have self-created fake IDs. I will expose. I will expose everything. I have in 2017 Sant Andre constituency. I know what happened there. I want to ask Manoj Parab. 2017 he was a campaign manager in Sant Andre for Aam Aadmi Party. Lot of people give me about fake bills, information about fake bills. Then he went to Going to Awaz. He was kicked out from there. Why? Why he was kicked out from Going to Awaz? He said, I will expose this, expose that fellow. Kite expose kela? What do you exposed? It is just a perception. Now he created this. I have so many calls coming where the funding is come to them directly. Their funding need to be protested. They got lots of money. They got camera worth 1.5 lakh. They have so much. Tell him to debate in front of me. Show me what issues he have solved. I want to ask Manoj Parab, what issues he have solved for Goans? Come on the street. I am fighting for the double tracking. I am the committee member there. I call upon you. We have a big campaign there. You need to bring your group over there. You cannot just call yourself revolutionaries. You cannot, because there is no time here to play with the people. People are already suffering. That's why I gave my example. So I don't have anything to worry about. So nobody can quote for me. I am ready for the fight.
In one way, they are fighting for Pogo bill. They say person of Goa and everything. What is the issue? What is the problem you all have with the Pogo bill?
See, I don't have any problem with the Pogo bill, nor Reginaldo. You wait for a few days. You will get a clear picture. You will wait for a few days for Pogo. We will tell you what is Pogo. I am not against Pogo. I have nothing to do with Pogo. It is their thing. When I fight for the seafarers, it is our thing. But which is something which is been used against, to make this movement communalize, against certain community, I am the one who will speak up. I am the one who will talk. And not only me, I appeal to everybody to listen what I said here very carefully. Splitting of the votes to create the fear of the migrants. Migrants are already in a big majority. First, let's get rid of them. Okay, there's a system. You have to take them out. You can just make a big meeting, call all the people, you call them Gati, you call them this. They will not vote, they will get scared. So you need their votes. So how you can drive them away from Goa?
But a fake ID, you will file a cyber complaint.
Yes, we have everything. We have everything. We have. I don't talk without facts. I don't talk. त्यांचा कॉमेंट मातानो एकटो मनीस आनी सगळीं क्रिस्तांवांगे नांवां सगळीं कॅथलीक नांवां कॅथलीक चेडवांगे नांवां कॅथलीक गेलीं गूड जॉब गूड वन डॅस आनी कितें कोत्ताय तेच लायक माताय आनी कितें थिंगा ते फायरा भशेन उज मुटाय ते इट इज ऑल द सेम दे आर नॉट ओवर देर I can challenge them. I can challenge them very soon. Our Reginaldo also will come and give some information for you later on. You will see how many viewers we have. Real one.